Hello maths lovers and welcome back to Turtle Maths. Today we have an exciting topic on the menu, the midpoint formula. We will be diving into both 2D and 3D examples to make sure you have a solid grasp of this fundamental concept. So grab your calculators and let's get started. Our first example involves 2 points in 2D plane represented as 1, 2. So let's call this point A, and the another point is 5, 6. Let's call this point B. Now calculating the midpoint between these points may seem tricky at first, but with midpoint formula it becomes a breeze. To find the midpoint in 2D, we use the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So here x1 and y1 are the coordinates of A and x2 and y2 are the coordinates of B. So let's plug in our values. Plugging in the coordinates we get, so let's call our midpoint to be M. So we will get 1 plus 5, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here we have our m as 6 over 2 comma 8 over 2, and hence the coordinate of m will be 6 divided by 2, that is 3, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So 3 comma 4. So the midpoint of these 2 points in 2D is 3 comma 4. Easy, right? Now let's challenge our brains a bit with a 3D example. So for our 3D example, we are considering the points 2, 1, 4. And this is just random. I just wanted you to demonstrate how a 3D point will look like. The coordinates are not there. It's just for an example I'm writing. So let's call this P, and let's call this point is 2, 1, and 4. And the another point that we have got is 4, 11, and negative 5. And let's call this as S. These points exist in a three-dimensional space, making the midpoint formula a bit more intriguing. In the 3D model, the formula is similar. You have your x1 plus x2 divided by 2. You will also have your y1 plus y2 divided by 2. There would be one more dimension added, which is z1 plus z2 divided by 2. So let's see how it works. So I am going to substitute the coordinates, and here we will get, so the coordinates of M, the midpoint, will be given as 2 plus 4 divided by 2, 1 plus 11 divided by 2, and 4 minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 because the coordinate was minus 5. The coordinates of M will be given as 6 over 2, 12 over 2, and negative 1 over 2. If I simplify it, we will get 3, 6, and negative 0.5. Boom! We have found the midpoint of these two 3D points, and it's 3, 6, and negative 5. There you have it, folks. We have successfully tackled the midpoint formula in both 2D and 3D. Whether you are navigating a flat Cartesian plane or exploring the depths of 3D space, this formula remains your trusty companion. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep those maths problems coming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Turtle Maths goodness. Until next time, keep calculating and keep learning. Thank you for tuning into Turtle Maths. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And as always, happy mathing!